Printify tutorial for beginners. How to make money on Printify. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. If you're looking to start a print-on-demand business or add new products to your existing store, Printify is a great option. With its easy-to-use interface and integration with popular e-commerce platform, Printify allows you to create and sell custom products with any upfront cost. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the basics of using Printify, from setting up your first product and then selling your first product. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be on your way making money on Printify. Now to get started, the first thing you're going to do is go to printify.com. As you can see right now, I am in the apps and product section. I'm going back to our home screen over here. This is what you're going to see. Now what you need to do is you're going to log in or sign up your account. Now after that, the first thing you're going to do after creating your account is go over here and click on My New Store. Click on Add a New Store, and you're simply going to select the store you would like to sell in or your pre-existing store already. For me, I have the Shopify over here. This is an e-commerce store that we are going to connect with our Printify. So over here, we're going to click on Shopify, and you're simply going to enter the URL of your Shopify over here. Now after connecting, as you can see here, we have our Shopify store already connected to our store. So now we're going to go and click on My Products. And as you can see here right now, we have no products, but this is where we will be finding our products later on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look over our catalogs over here. As you can see here, we have different products that we could sell. We have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, accessories, and home and living. As you can see, there are a lot of different products that we could create our design on. We have face masks, bags, socks, canvas, posters, journal and notebooks, sportswear, t-shirts, and hoodies over here. You could also check out the featured products over here, just like this. These are the different featured products. You can also see the best sellers, which is the products that people are buying the most. You can also see new arrivals, eco-friendly, AOP clothing, and assembled in the USA. You can also check out the different print providers and brands by clicking on this text over here. Now for us, we're going to select a product that we would create a design on. For example, we're going to go with tank tops over here. By clicking this, we would be able to see all the different products that we could create our design on. As you can see here, we have different types of tank tops. We have basketball jersey, men's tank top, and unisex jersey tank over here. There's also other options over here. It is completely up to you which one you would like to select. But for us, we're going to go with this one for now. By clicking that specific product, we would be able to see the description of our product over here, like the material type and like the lightweight material, just like that. You can also click on Read More, which would allow us to see the key features of this specific product. Now scrolling up, as you can see here, we have print providers. This is the print providers that will print our product for us and send to our customers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Start Designing. By clicking this, we would be redirected to the editing page of Printify. In this section, this is where we will be able to upload our designs into the front side, back side, as you can see here. You could also click on all areas over here so that you can see your designs properly. So we're going to go with front side for now. As you can see here on the right side, we have New Design, My Library, My Templates, and Graphics. Under New Design, you could add designs from My Devices, Custom Text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, Google Drive, and you could also hire a professional to create a design for you under Fiverr. You could click on My Library, My Templates, and Graphics over here. Under graphics, these are the different elements that you could use to add to your design over here. But I'm going to suggest that you use a different platform to create your design. For example, Canva over here. Canva is an amazing platform for creating any type of design. And you could use Canva for any project that you have with its very flexible designs and elements that you could use. Now for us, we're going to go and click on the search bar. And we're going to click on t-shirt, or you could type in the t-shirt. And by doing that, you would be able to see the different templates of the specific topic or template that you have selected over here. As you can see here, we have different templates for a t-shirt design, as you can see here. Now, what for us right now, we're going to select one. For example, this one over here. Going to click this and click on Customize this template. Now in this section also, this is our editing page of Canva. As you can see here, when we hover over the different elements, we are able to edit every single part of this. So basically, you would be able to create your own design that is like this with your creativity by clicking over here on the elements And as you can see here, you could simply type in the element that you would like. For example, a topic. For example, we're going to go with space, just like that. And it's going to show you different graphics that you could use to create your design with a specific topic that you have selected, as you can see here. And you can simply drag it into your canvas over here and enlarge it just like that. You could search any topic you want and it will show you any graphic that is available for that specific topic. And for now, we're going to stick with this design. So we're going to edit this a bit. So we're going to click this. I'm going to change the background to pure white, just like that. And we're going to edit the text over here, change the color to orange, just like that. We're going to put back our star design, but this time we're going to turn it to black, just like that. And we're going to change the position to back, just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on share, click on download, and click on transparent background for me right now because I want a transparent background, and then click on download. Now we're simply going to wait for it to download, and just like that, we're going to go back to our Printify, click on new design, my device, and upload the specific design that you have created. Now just like that, as you can see, we have our design on our tank top over here. We're simply going to adjust this to fit our design, just like that. We could make it fit all the way, just like that. And then we can go to the back side over here and we could add another design. We're going to click on my device, and for example, this one, I'm going to add this design. We're going to enlarge it, just like that. As you can see, we have two designs on the front side and the back side over here. You could also add multiple designs into one section. As you can see here on the front side, we can add another design. We're going to do the same thing, just like that. We could add the same design we have on the back side over here. We're going to make this smaller, and we could add this in the middle section over here, just like that. And we're going to click on save product. Now after that, we would be redirected to this section over here. As you can see here, you could see different mockups for our product over here. You would be able to upload this on your e-commerce store later on. Over here also, you could edit the description, the product title, the description over here. You could add different tags over here, edit the variants you have in this section. As you can see right now, we have large, and you could also edit the price. After that, as you can see here, we have the publishing setting. This will be available once you have connected your e-commerce store with your Printify. Right now, I have this product visibility. We could hide this in our store. You could also see variant visibility. You could show all variants available for purchase. Right now, we only have one because we didn't add any. And you could also sync the product details like product title, mockups over here, and all of this. You could also select the categories you would like to publish your product. We're going to go with homepage, and we're going to click on publish. Now after doing that, as you can see, we have our product over here, which is currently publishing. And as you can see, our product is now published. We're going to go back to our Shopify store. And as you can see, our product is now also available on our product section. You could also see this on your online store by clicking on the online store section, then clicking on the three dots, and then click on preview. And as you can see here, this is our current state of our store. And as you can see, our product is over here. By clicking this, we would be able to see information about our product over here. As you can see here, we have the different mockups that we have. And you could simply continue developing your e-commerce store over here, and you would be able to sell your products and earn money to Printify. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.